Hello everybody, real quick before the video starts, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on because it really helps me out and it gets you guys to see my videos every Monday and every Thursday. Let's go ahead and get in the video. So today we are going to be unboxing the Realspace gaming chair here that we got from Office Max. So let's go ahead and open her up. I was going to get something online originally, but then I was like, no, I really don't want to get something that doesn't fit me because I'm a taller person. I'm like 6'4". So I want to make sure that it fits me because I got a chair before and it was really short on me, so I had to give it away. And I didn't want that to happen again, so I went and tried some chairs out at Office Max, and this one was really comfortable. My girlfriend thought it was comfortable, so thought might as well let's get it. Oh, this just looks like it's an armrest that I have to attach. Go ahead and take a look in here, see more stuff. Looks like the other armrest. Some cardboard for packaging. Looks like it's packaged decently, not the best. Especially if something stabbed it from the outside. It looks like this cushion would get hit, but you know, it is what it is. Anything to cut down on price, right? So this looks like it's the seats. Yeah, this is the bottom piece with the seats. Just put that there for now. What is this here? Alright, this looks like the backrest here. Pretty thick, that's what I like. Awesome. Put it right here. Let's take a look in here. Alright, so this looks like it's the wheels and everything else you need to attach, including the screws and little plugs to make sure that the screws aren't exposed. Put that right there for now. Alright, this looks like the big sturdy base. Pretty decent. Seems solid. What else is in here? And this looks like it's the gas mechanism or the up and down mechanism. I don't know if it's gas or not, but we'll see. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put together and then we'll be right back. Alright, shout out to my girlfriend for helping me put this together. It took us about 20 minutes, but it's definitely possible to do with one person. It'll just take you a little bit longer, I'm assuming. But overall, I'm really happy with the chair. It came out beautiful, it was easy to put together. The stitching, the bonded leather, everything's just great. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the armrests though. So the armrests aren't adjustable, but they do fold up. They are at a good height and they're very cushiony. So my elbows, usually I get some flare-ups on my elbows when I play very long periods of time, but with this, I'm sure I'm not gonna have a problem. It's got a nice little mesh design right there. Overall, I didn't see any imperfections with the stitching or anything yet, but that's to be continued, I guess. It's really cushiony on the seat as well. It's rated for 6 to 8 hours of gaming time or sitting office time. Here's the seat adjuster. It allows it to go up and down, so you can adjust it to different heights. But overall, it's nice build quality, nice. If you want, go ahead and pause the video here. These are the dimensions for the chair, just in case you want to measure, make sure that it fits your height. But here I am, I'm about 6'4", 6'5", so it does fit me nice. I'm able to lean my head back, which is always a plus. I was never able to do that in my previous chairs. But overall, I love this chair. I'd honestly rate it like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. So feel free to go ahead and check out my other videos. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. And hit subscribe. Love you guys. Stay golden. Bye-bye.